this is an area where AI is actually taking a big stride, right? Then AI equal with human experts in medical diagnostic study finds. Robots आपके पास बन रहे हैं जो घरों के अंदर आराम से काम करेंगे. They would in libraries as well, right? So, for example, million इसमें मैंने library के नीचे caption डाला हुआ. Probably it's too little for you to see. Millions of Americans have lost jobs in the pandemic, and robots and AI are replacing them faster than ever, right? So these are the kind of jobs which are, under threat now. So पहले वो book को shelf पे place करने के लिए you used to have people, right? But given this robot, right, it can place the book at the right place and much efficiently. They may do mistake, but this won't. Limitations of AI are performance-related things, right? For example, many times it's not accurate, as I said earlier. Biasness. Again, this is a very serious issue. Adversarial attacks, explainability is hard, which I earlier pointed out. For example, it would be able to tell you who are profitable customers and who are not, but why? Right? Many times it's not very evident. You cannot think in terms of how AI is thinking. AI is giving the results based on the data. It's a relationship, mathematical relationship that exists in data, and telling you. Now, you may not be able to comprehend it because you don't understand. But many times you are able to do this. For example, if you look at this X-ray on the left side, right? Obviously, I don't understand this, but it says that the person has pneumonia. AI is telling this. उसको ट्रेन किया गया है कि वो एक्सरे देख के बता दे कि किसी आदमी को निमोनिया है या नहीं है. तो उसने कहा निमोनिया है. But how do I know? I am not a doctor. But अब इसने थोड़ा सा हीट मैप जनरेट किया. हीट मैप जनरेट करने के बाद देखा एक लंग को टोटल डार्क में दिखा दे, दूसरा इज अपीयरिंग इन colorful things, right? So seeing that it's as a human I can now correlate with it. Okay, in case if I get these kind of colors, it's pneumonia. In case if I don't, then probably person is normal. So many times you can explain, but as I wrote there, but sometimes doable. So doable in case if you are able to find out this kind of relation, you could understand. But many times you are not able to comprehend why AI is saying what it is saying, right? Problems with AI is biasness, as I said earlier. You see this. And Google apologized for this actually. This photo again has been cropped. So this photograph was uploaded by Google. Rather this technology was being demonstrated by Google to tell people that I can identify what the image is actually. So in the first image you have skyscrapers, so it was able to identify it correctly. In the next it had airplanes, it was able to identify correctly. In third it had cars, identified correctly. And you look at the bottom, picture in the middle, right? So two black people, right? And what did it not label them as? Gorillas, right? So this is the biasness which AI can actually imbibe because of wrong training. तो जैसा उसको डेटा देंगे वैसे ही वो ट्रेन हो जाएगा. जैसे बच्चे की अगर आप तरबियत सही ना करें तो बच्चा गालियां भी देने लगता है, बुरे काम करने लगता है. तो इसी तरीके से अगर हम AI को ऐसे डेटा पे ट्रेन कर दें कि जो एक पर्टिकुलर परसेप्शन को प्रमोट कर रहा है, तो वो उसी तरीके से फिर काम करने लगता है, एंड दैट बिकम्स वेरी डेंजरस, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल इट कैन बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज परसेप्शन जनरेशन के लिए, इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए, या आपकी कंपेनिंग एडवर्टीजमेंट कंपेन्स को उस तरीके से जनरेट करने के लिए. तो बायसनेस जो है, बायसनेस कैन बी प्रोग्राम्ड, एंड दैट इज इवन मोर डेंजरस proposition of AI, क्योंकि ये सारी ट्रेनिंग हम कर रहे हैं, हमका मतलब anybody who is interested in developing some AI tool, that person is doing that training. So अगर उसने ट्रेन ही उस तरीके से किया हुआ है कि अगर आप वायलेंस हो रही है तो एक पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ वायलेंस को हम प्रमोट करेंगे और दूसरे काइंड ऑफ वायलेंस को वी आर नॉट प्रमोटिंग. So in that case probably AI can take very dangerous. And ultimately, Facebook agreed that, sir, we are not trained on most of the European languages, right? So that is why we are not able to do this stuff accurately in Europe, right? In the rest of the cases, we are able to do. So they offered him to hire his services, right, to get with Facebook and help them out in developing this kind of facility. So our students are also doing great work in this manner. So वो ये कि biasness identify करना मुश्किल है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो bias free है, जो भी वो कह रहा है ठीक है. That is